Hello and welcome back to my channel, my beautiful souls. It's Ritika here. If you're new to this channel, I am your tarot card reader and life coach, and also a friend who's going to listen to you and help you through confusion to clarity. So, without further ado, let's get into the video. So, I have both the piles ready here with me. I have pile number one and pile number two. See, these are the two cards and piles. Whichever you are attracted to, you can directly go to the timestamp and see your readings. I'll see you over there. हेलो माय पाइल नंबर वन, अगर आप इस पाइल की तरफ ड्रॉन हुए हो देन दिस इज गोइंग टू बी योर रीडिंग. वी विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट व्हाई दे कांट स्टॉप थिंकिंग अबाउट यू. We will be learning about your current energies, their current energies, why they can't stop thinking about you, what is the potential outcome of this connection going forward. So stay in the video, let me pull out your cards and let's see what the spirits has to say for you. Take a deep breath and let's tune into the energies. I will be putting the card placements over here so that you can have a better look at the cards. The first card, oh my god, the first card itself is the Chariot. The Chariot is the card of movement. इसका मतलब ये है कि जो भी इंसान आपके माइंड में और हार्ट में अभी है, वो इंसान आपके तरफ मूवमेंट करने की काफ़ी कोशिश कर रहा है. इवन दो द थिंग्स मे नॉट सीम द वे दे आर, ये इंसान ज़्यादा एक्सप्रेसिव है नहीं, बट दे आर डेफिनेटली ट्राइंग टू बी मच मोर एक्सप्रेसिव टूवर्ड्स यू. नो मैटर हाउ मच दे ट्राई टू इग्नोर द थॉट्स अबाउट यू, दे आर अनएबल टू इग्नोर द थॉट्स अबाउट यू. ऑल्सो आई कुड फील दैट सम ऑफ यू मे बी इन अ लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस रिलेशनशिप. अगर लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस सिटी वाइज नहीं भी है, इट मीन्स दैट यू गाइज इवन इफ इन द सेम सिटी, हो सकता है कि आप लोग स्टिल ज़्यादा मिल नहीं पा रहे हो, एंड हेंस देयर इज सम काइंड ऑफ अ मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग और सम काइंड ऑफ डिस्टेंस गोइंग ऑन इन बिटवीन यू टू. लाइक फिजिकल डिस्टेंस मुझे दिख रहा है, बट इन बोथ ऑफ द केसेस वेदर इमोशनल और फिजिकल, दिस पर्सन इज ट्राइंग टू मेक द मोस्ट ऑफ इट. दे आर ट्राइंग कि वो आपसे आके मिले एंड चीज़ें सॉर्ट आउट करे, एंड ऑल्सो इमोशनली दे आर ट्राइंग to make space for you. Accept all these things, they are trying to make you a priority in their life. The Chariot is a very very strong card towards movement in relationships, so be sure that this person is actually checking out on you. And here we have the next card. The next card is the Three of Pentacles, which says that they are definitely thinking of you, but in a long term, not about the temporary things. This is a very positive card. This positive card says about what exactly they are thinking about you. Okay, so इससे मुझे intuition आ रही है कि that this person is thinking about the practical things about future. They do think that you are somebody who they can partner with, who they can collaborate with in different other aspects of life. So इसका मतलब सिर्फ dating purpose से नहीं सोच रहे हैं वो आपके बारे में. They're also thinking about other perspectives, right? वो सोच रहे हैं कि क्या ये इंसान ऐसा हो सकता है कि जिनको मैं लॉन्ग टर्म डेट कर सकता हूँ, क्या हम फाइनेंशियल चीज़ों में साथ हो सकते हैं, क्या हम लोग साथ में मिलके एक घर बना सकते हैं, क्या हम फाउंडेशंस को स्ट्रॉन्ग कर सकते हैं. अगेन अ वेरी पॉजिटिव कार्ड अबाउट व्हाट दे आर थिंकिंग अबाउट यू, एंड आई डू फील दैट दिस पर्सन इज करंटली मेकिंग अप थिंग्स इन देयर माइंड. दे हैविंग दिस रिकरिंग मेमोरीज, दे हैविंग दिस रिकरिंग कॉन्वर्सेशंस विद यू, जो भी वो आपके साथ फ्यूचर में करने वाले हैं, अबाउट द प्लानिंग, बिकॉज एज यू कैन सी हियर पीपल आर प्लानिंग टुगेदर. सो दे डू थिंक दैट यू आर समबडी who's, you know, in a supportive nature. You do support him or her in particularly every way. You have a helpful nature, and that is why they are thinking about you in a positive light. The next card tells us about their hidden feelings, and the card is the Page of Cups. You know what? I'm getting this feeling that this person of yours, whether him or her, is a person who's not very expressive again. This person actually wants to come forward and express things to you. I mean, guys, you're gonna be so lucky and you're gonna feel like कि वाओ ऐसा कैसे हो रहा है, because ये इंसान सच में आपको टेक्स्ट के थ्रू, वॉइस मैसेज के थ्रू, या फिर आपको आके मिलके कुछ एक्सप्रेस करना चाहते हैं. आई कैन सेंस दैट दिस पर्सन इज समबडी हु इज नॉट वेरी पब्लिकली ओपन अबाउट थिंग्स, बट नाउ इट्स द टाइम दैट दे हैव डिसाइडेड टू कम and express things to you. So, you know, all these cards together, as we have the first two cards here, you can see the Chariot, the Three of Pentacles, and now we have the third card, the Page of Cups. ये तीनों cards मुझे यही बता रहा है कि वो इंसान काफ़ी एक्सप्रेस करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं चीज़ें. ऑल्सो दे आर ट्राइंग टू कम फॉरवर्ड फिजिकली टू मीट यू वेरी सून, एंड दे आर ट्राइंग टू थिंक अबाउट द लॉन्ग टर्म फ्यूचर विद यू. The next card is the Ace of Swords. This card tells us why they have not taken any action towards your connection as of yet. This card tells me that this person is still trying to find some clarity. इसका मतलब वो इंसान थोड़ा सा insecure feel कर रहा है, थोड़ा सा practicality का wait कर रहा है, कर रहे हैं, which means that they're still overthinking things in their head. Like, will I be accepted? Will I be rejected? क्या ये सही time है इस move को करने का? I feel like they have been holding on so much of emotions under them that कभी कभी उनके emotions slip हो जाते हैं, and कभी कभी they are back to the cold self, distant self that they look like, and you also think कि why is this person is going hot and cold upon me? It means that they're trying to work on their internal self, and they're trying to find the right time, the right environment, the right situation to come forward and tell you the things that they're holding on to. Also, I can see a lot of overthinking, emotional turmoil. There could also be a sense of कि उनके personal लाइफ में कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें चल रही है because of which they are feeling very distressed, because of which they're feeling low energy, and also unable to focus and prioritize this relationship, this connection, and that is why this person is feeling like they have so much to hold on to. There's so much of overwhelmness in their life. Let's see what the next card says. So, as I said, that we are currently seeing through this card Nine of Swords that this person is having a lot of internal conflicts. इसका मतलब वो इंसान ना अभी तय नहीं कर पा रहा है कि कब मैं वो स्टेप लूँ, डिसीजन लूँ, because of their own internal things that is going on in their mind. But the next card actually proves it, as you can see here. Two of Wands. Two of Wands says that this person is going to take intentional steps towards this connection, towards you, in the next few weeks or upcoming month, because the Two of Wands is the step and the card of planning. They are definitely planning since a very long time. They've been thinking about everything altogether, and then now they are ready in few weeks or in a month, and they are going to come to you and express the things forward. So, going to see each and every card now. The first card that we have is the Chariot. The second card that we have is this Three of Pentacles. Then we have Page of Cups, Ace of Swords, Nine of Swords, and also Two of Wands. ये सारे cards एक चीज़ बता रहे हैं जो मैं आपको बताना चाहती हूँ इस इंसान के बारे में. Few things, if you can resonate to this person's nature, this person that you're thinking about is someone who is not very expressive. And if this resonates to you, comment down it resonated to me, so that it gives me more motivation that my intuitions, my predictions are actually helping you or guiding you through. The cards are saying that this person may feel like they are not making any move. हो सकता है कि आपका relationship एक crossroad पे था, and you guys have been distant since last few months. हो सकता है not almost no contact, but you guys have been talking back and forth. कुछ दिन बात हो रही है, कुछ दिन बात नहीं हो रही है, but the communication and the efforts are going to be much better, because the person is determined to make a move, and also they're planning on a long term ahead. So, my dear pine number ones, this is a very positive reading for you all, and if it resonated with you, please do comment down I claim the energies to claim the energies, and subscribe to my channel so that it gives me more motivation to come up with such videos. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Welcome to Guided by Ritz, my pile number 2. Take a deep breath, because we're going to tune into the energies and see why they can't stop thinking about you and their next steps towards this connection, towards your relationship. So here we have all the cards here. Now I'm going to pick out the cards and tell you about what's going to come next. And now I have pulled out all the cards. I will be putting the image over here of the placement so that you guys can relate better to the reading. The first card itself says a lot about this person on your mind. This person, whether he or she, your current connection, the special one that you're talking about or thinking about, is a person who seems very strict from outside. This person has a lot of responsibilities, could be a bread earner of their family, but they do seem somebody who thinks very highly of themselves, who wants to put themselves on a pedestal, and do want to feel like they are the ones who have to protect everybody, they are the ones who has to take all the burden. And I do feel that this person may feel like somebody जो बहुत ज़्यादा strict दिखते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा distant दिखते हैं, but अंदर से they are a softie. So your person is definitely a softie, because the card is the emperor, and it tells about their current energies. Their current energy says that they have taken up a lot of responsibilities. वो अपनी family की बहुत ज़्यादा responsibilities ले चुके हैं, but उनके mind में आप आते रहते हो even though when they are working, but this is what their current energies are saying. Moving on to the next card, then we have the Nine of Wands. So I'm getting this intuition that you guys have actually been through a lot together in this connection, and this connection is not new, you know. हो सकता है कि पहले आप लोग दोस्त थे और अब आप लोग डेट कर रहे हो, but you guys seem to have gone through a lot of ups and downs together, and hence the Nine of Wands. Nine of Wands ये बताता है कि आपका जो special someone है, this person is very strict, also very structured and disciplined person, and that is why they have been overthinking about this current connection. They've been thinking and understanding, is it even worth to take the next step, worth to take the next move, because I can sense that in between two of you, हो सकता है आप या फिर वो past में hurt हुए हैं because of some situations that had arised due to some other people, and काफ़ी ज़्यादा foundation पे effect पड़ा है आपके connection पे, and that is why this person has been overthinking at each and every step कि क्या ये चीज़ें वर्थ रहेंगी, क्या हमारा कनेक्शन लॉन्ग टर्म में सही रहेगा या नहीं रहेगा. सो आई कैन डेफिनेटली सेंस अ लॉट ऑफ इमोशनल एग्जॉशन फ्रॉम दिस रिलेशनशिप, बट your connection is still intact. Now let's understand what their hidden feelings are and why they have not taken any action. The next card that we have is the card of Judgment. You know, it's a very deep and powerful card, because the Judgment card tells you that this person is going to take accountability for their actions. In the past they might have not taken accountability, responsibility, जो भी चीज़ें हुई उनकी वजह से आपकी साइड से, all over they have not taken accountability for that, but now they are ready to take accountability for their action, and that is why they have been replaying over all the conversations that you guys had in the past. और भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो हुई है वो past में वो replay करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, but definitely they are trying for a second chance with you, and they've been trying it so hard, like they have been planning things and also trying to make efforts from their end, but because of their restricted nature, because they are somebody who's like an introvert, and they have been insecure about few things. But also the next card, why they are not taking any action, tells me that this person may be moving to a different city or out of India. This card says that they might get an opportunity particularly related to job, because I can sense that this person is more focused. Their first priority is their job. Current phase में you are also their priority, but they are giving more importance to the job and to the career, because they have responsibilities for their family members, and that is why they will have to move to a different city in search of new opportunities, better opportunities. So they are just trying to understand from their perspective and in प्रैक्टिकल सेंस कि क्या ये रिलेशनशिप इस डिस्टेंस को झेल पाएगा, क्या वो इस रिलेशनशिप में इतने एफर्ट्स एंड सही मायने में चीज़ें कर पाएंगे, so that everything is sorted and balanced and you also feel valued at the same time. So they are definitely thinking about you, but the main reason why they are not taking any action, because they have a lot of burden on them and they are trying to think of the future situations right now. So the next card tells us about their next move, and it's a very powerful positive card. This is the Six of Pentacles. जैसे कि मैंने पहले कहा that he or she is actually trying to restore the balance in the relationship because of the sudden changes, the sudden shifts in their life, and they have to think about it in practical sense. But what I can sense that in the past, this person that you're thinking about, उन्होंने इतने एफर्ट्स नहीं लगाए इस रिलेशनशिप में जितने आपने लगाए हैं. इट्स ऑलवेज बिन यू हु हैज़ रीच्ड आउट टू दिस पर्सन, पुट ऑल योर एफर्ट्स, ऑल योर एनर्जी, ऑल योर लव इनटू दिस पर्सन, बट नाउ दिस पर्सन इज थिंकिंग कि आपने इतने एफर्ट्स कर दिए हैं, दे ऑल्सो वॉन्ट टू डू द सेम काइंड ऑफ एफर्ट्स विद यू, दे वॉन्ट टू balance out the emotions and also want you to receive love and energy from their end. And that is why they are taking so much of time to take action and holding back all their things. They first want to sort out all the physical things, all the career related aspects in their lives, so that you guys can have quality of time. Also, I can sense that they will be definitely reaching out to you in the form of message, call, or they will be apologizing to you कि जो भी पास में चीज़ें हुई अगर उनके तरफ से नहीं भी थी आपकी तरफ से भी थी, they still want to sort it out. You guys are lucky, they still want to sort it out, and they definitely want to come back stronger. They want this relationship to have better foundational values going forward. Let's understand what is the final likely outcome of this connection, and also for the next few months, and also what is the final message from your spirit guides. So this card is the Knight of Pentacles. I can sense that ये जो आपका कम्युनिकेशन आने वाला है फ्रॉम देयर एंड इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू बी वेरी इमीडिएट. इट्स गोइंग टू टेक सम टाइम बिकॉज देयर इज़ पेंटिकल्स. पेंटिकल्स जब भी आता है इसका मतलब ग्रेजुअल इम्प्रूवमेंट होता है. हो सकता है कि कुछ वीक्स से ज़्यादा लगे, 2 to 3 months, but they definitely are thinking about you. And also one thing I can see that this person has been trying to balance out their heart and their responsibilities. So this person, as I said, comes with a lot of burden and lot of responsibilities, and also this relationship has been through a lot of burden and responsibilities in the past. But I can see a lot of shift happening in their lives, in your lives, due to which this person is thinking about the future first and also thinking about कि कैसे balance restore किया जाए. So I can sense that this person is somebody who has literally liked you a lot. They're fond of you, but they're not very expressive about it because they have a fear that they might hurt you through their actions because they're unable to express it properly due to the burden that they have. So if this reading resonated with you, my dear pile 2, please comment down I claim the energies and subscribe to my channel. I would be happy to have you all in my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much. And that's all for today's video. And comment down now which pile did you choose and what resonated the most to you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want like a personal guidance from me, if you want more clarity on your current situations, you can definitely book a one-on-one session with me. I will give you the link in the description box so that you can have better idea about the things. If you have any queries regarding my reading sessions, you can connect with me on my Instagram account Guided by Ritz and let me help you out through things. I really wish you a lot of success and love in your life, and do trust your intuitions. Till then, stay connected, take care. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.